All right, we are here unboxing the Ray-Bans Meta. Nice package. Got the Wayfarer Ray-Ban Meta. Looks like we got the receipt, some lens dispenser information since I got prescription Meta glasses. All right. What else we got in here? And a certificate of authenticity. Very cool. How to safely package your return. I guess if you're returning it, there's some instructions on how to do that. And let's go ahead and open this box. So there's a strip right here. Listen, call, live stream. Very cool. All right. Here they are. They have a QR code to get the app. Looks like there's some instructions in here, or nope, actually the cloth to clean it. And there are some instructions on the other side, as well as safety and warranty information. So I wanted smart glasses with prescription lenses, so that's what I got here. And getting started. So these ones shipped, even though I bought them directly from the Ray-Ban website, they ship from China. That's where one of their Meta factories are. I know that they're also made in Italy, and some are authentically made in China as well now. Same equipment, just over in China. I was reading into that. So getting started, download the app, pull the tab off of this case, charging through the case, and the battery level is an indicator on the case as well with all the features. So let's look here. This is the case. Looks like the charging port is right here. We're opening it up, and the first thing it says to do is to pull the tab. So I pulled that tab out. The light is lighting up here. And let's check these out. And I got the black matte ones, and they also are transitional. So very cool, very cool. There's a light on that comes on the inside. I know the light turns on when you're recording up here. There's some buttons on top, but for someone that doesn't wear glasses every day, I think this is gonna be cool. Have them outside and inside transition. But yeah, thanks for watching. I think that's just about everything. Oh, it's also talking.